Some of the most powerful AI tools out there don't cost a single penny. No subscriptions, no sneaky trials, no credit cards. Just free cutting-edge tools that can completely transform how you work, create, and solve problems. But here's the catch. They might not stay free forever. That's why I'm sharing 12 free AI tools that you can use right now, and trust me, once you start using these, you'll wonder why you didn't get started with them sooner. I've also put all the tools that I'm going to talk about in the description, so be sure to click those to land on the right websites and sign up for free. AI Tool 1. If you're somebody who deals with long documents, this tool would be great for you. Let's say you've got a 50-page PDF you need to understand, but you're short on time. You can use this document summarizer. You upload the file, and the tool condenses it into a summary that's easy to digest. But what's really handy is the level of control you have. You can choose whether you want just a quick overview, a detailed outline, or even a translation into another language. It's especially useful for students who need to break down academic papers or professionals dealing with dense reports. The process is straightforward, and it turns hours of reading into minutes of skimming. Just keep in mind that most tools have a size limit for files, so massive PDFs might need some trimming before upload. AI Tool 2. Have you ever doodled a character on paper and thought, wouldn't it be cool if this little guy could move? That's exactly what Meta's animated drawings lets you do. You start by drawing your character on plain white paper. Don't worry if you're not an artist. This works with stick figures just as well as detailed sketches. Upload the drawing and the tool automatically detects the character. If it misses parts of the outline or picks up unwanted marks, you can fix it using simple tools like a highlighter to mark the right areas or an eraser to clean up mistakes. Once that's done, the fun really starts. You mark the joints, places like elbows, knees, and wherever the character might bend. Then you choose an animation. Maybe your character is dancing, walking, or doing a funny jump. Watching your static drawing come to life is oddly satisfying, and it's not just for fun. You can use this for school projects, presentations, or even creative storytelling. AI Tool 3. Here's a fun tool: creating coloring pages. Whether it's for kids, digital product business, or for your own stress relief, this tool generates printable coloring pages based on your prompts. Want a tropical beach scene? How about a forest full of animals? Type it in, and the tool creates a detailed outline ready for coloring. You can print it or color it digitally. It's a simple, creative way to unwind or entertain kids without needing to buy coloring books. AI Tool 4. Next, let's talk about text-to-speech generators. Let's say you've got a long document or script you need to hear out loud. Maybe you're reviewing your own writing, creating voiceovers for a project, or even building an audiobook. With this tool, you paste your text into a box and it converts it into natural-sounding speech. What's great is the amount of customization you have. You can pick the voice, whether you want a warm conversational tone or a crisp, professional one. You can adjust the speed if you need it slower for clarity or faster for efficiency. Some even let you play with pitch to create the exact vibe you're looking for. And when you're done tweaking, you can download the audio file. It's simple, effective, and saves so much time compared to recording everything manually. AI Tool 5. Here's another super dull task that AI can handle for you: transcribing audio or video. Whether it's an interview, a podcast, or a webinar, getting a written transcript can be tedious. With this tool, you upload your file, and it does the hard work for you. The transcription is surprisingly accurate, even with different accents or background noise. And what I love is that you can download the transcript in formats like SRT, which is perfect for adding subtitles to videos. Subtitles aren't just about accessibility. They can boost engagement and even help with SEO. Plus, having a transcript makes it much easier to repurpose content, like turning a podcast into a blog post.
AI Tool 6. This is perfect for AI headshot generation. We all know how important first impressions are, especially online. Whether it's for LinkedIn, a portfolio, or even a profile picture, having a polished headshot makes a difference. This tool takes the stress out of it. You upload a casual photo. It doesn't need to be perfect. The tool processes it and gives you professional-looking results. You can also fine-tune the style of the headshot and adjust details like your facial features. AI Tool 7.
If you're on the creative side, let's talk about infographics. Whether you're explaining a process, summarizing data, or showcasing trends, a well-made infographic can say a lot with just a little text. But the problem is that designing one from scratch takes time and skill. This tool does the tricky parts for you. You enter a topic, like the history of social media, and it generates a clean, professional-looking infographic in seconds. If the first result isn't quite right, you can tweak the design, change colors, or adjust the layout. It's perfect for educators, marketers, or anyone who wants to present information in a way that looks good, clean, and professional. AI Tool 8. This is a great one if you're somebody who's always curious and has random questions on their mind like me. Ybot is a bit like a brainstorming partner that builds mind maps based on your questions. Let's say you're wondering why humans yawn. Type that in, and the tool generates a web of interconnected ideas. You can click on branches to explore deeper questions, like whether yawning is contagious or if it serves a biological purpose. What's really unique is the ability to choose a persona for your answers. Want a toddler-style explanation? Done. Want a more scientific approach? That's an option too. It's a great way to explore topics in depth without getting lost in endless internet searches.
AI Tool 9.
If you've ever used ChatGPT or something similar, you know how important a good, detailed prompt is. This tool helps you create better ones. You start by describing the role you want the AI to take on, like a personal chef or a travel guide. Then you explain the task you need help with, and the tool generates a detailed prompt. You're essentially giving the AI a clear set of instructions, which it turns into prompts to get better, more accurate responses from another AI tool. AI Tool 10. I've been using this a lot recently because it just saves me so much time while being incredibly accurate and fast. You can upload all your notes, slides, YouTube videos, article URLs, or research documents into one place and then ask questions like, "What's the main takeaway from this report?" or "Summarize this article for someone new to the topic." This tool doesn't just pull out random sentences, it synthesizes the information in a way that feels natural and human. It's super valuable for students, researchers, and anyone working with a lot of information. AI Tool 11. If you're somebody who cares about privacy, Secret Llama is a local version of a chatbot like ChatGPT. It runs entirely on your computer, meaning your data stays private. You download the model, disconnect from the internet if you want, and use it offline. It's ideal for anyone who loves the convenience of AI, but doesn't want their conversations stored in the cloud.
AI Tool 12.
Now let's end on a high note with Chat Jams. This tool creates Spotify playlists based on your music preferences. You type in genres or styles, like upbeat pop, and it generates a playlist you can listen to instantly. It's perfect for discovering new music without the endless scrolling. Just enter your mood, hit generate, and you've got a custom soundtrack ready to go. These 12 free AI tools aren't just useful, but incredibly powerful. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this interesting or helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.